Wow, what a fight! Oh my God! Heat made to each other. Oh, wow, wow. Hello guys, welcome in our channel. So you watch here my village animals. You can see here a lot of horses are eating salt in their stone. So they are all. So you watch all video and share with your friends. You see, hit this horse with another one. And this is the summer season of the horses place. They are also in summer, just in summer they come here and they fighting for salt each other. And whenever the horses have a female horse, so they are all fight each other. Now they are all eating salt. So he's my new horse current. This one I take him back to the base camp. And two horses are there fighting. One black horse is minimum 10 year and the other one also same, and here both horses are sounding. And these horses are totally fight now time, and this is the evening time, so that's why these all horses in come meadows, otherwise they are all in the hill for grasses. So sometimes they all come down. So guys, if you like a beautiful places, beautiful views, nature looking of horses, so subscribe my channel for interesting and more videos. So guys, this is the salt. The horses are coming to eat a salt. Oh my God, hitting and hitting. So these all coming for eating salt. So you guys watch the video. And these all animals in our village. So every day I make video and upload here. So you watch. If you interest and your friends were interest in the animal content, so you can share with him. These horses are 15 year and this horse 10 year. Oh my God, these horses are fighting each other. The horse. Oh, good, fight, fight. Oh, he's saying, come back, come back, come back. But he don't come back. Oh my God, running, running, running. I take my horse back and he's want to go up. But you can't go because I need yours. So guys, subscribe my channel for interesting and beautiful places videos. and desi animal and my original content. So subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for new interesting and best videos animals. Okay guys, see you next video.